This here is the XB87 from P Sports. This has a 154 FMI motor, which is a 125cc 4-speed with a clutch. There's no electric start on it. It is kickstart only. It does have the pretty standard adjustable rear shock. The seat has a slight dip in it. Fuel tank holds I think 1.5 gallons, and this front and rear disc brake, your standard 90, 100, 14 rear tire, and the 70, 100, 17. So it's a 17 front, 14 rear. Great for adults, great for teenagers. I would say probably age 10 years old and up, depending on height. So it's definitely for your taller kids, your teenagers, or your adults who want a smaller bike. Inverted forks. Obviously no gauges of any kind. It's a nice little unit. Pretty affordable from us. And obviously upgradable to make it even better. So it's 4-stroke. And I guess check in with us if you want one of these. We have a lot in stock because they've been pretty popular with us recently. So we got a good bit for here for 2019. Thanks.